Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this edition of PM Weather. I'm student meteorologist Nick Tortola, and here is your forecast. Current conditions here in Plymouth, 32 degrees with a dew point of 22, making for a humidity of 60%. We have calm winds and our pressure is 30.14 inches and falling. Temperatures around the state right now, we're generally in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Concord and Manchester both at 29, 30s mostly everywhere else, a little bit warmer up in Berlin at 32. And regionally, generally within a degree or two of freezing. Again, Boston's at 33, Providence 32, Hartford's at 32. It's a little bit warmer towards our southwest in Bridgeport and New York City, both seeing 40-degree temperatures right now. Looking at our national map, we can see our very sharp contrast between our warm temperatures and our cold temperatures. It's 37 in Omaha right now, 67 in St. Louis, and right through Minneapolis right now, where it's 34, is the center of our low pressure system, which will be bringing us our heavy snowfall for tomorrow and throughout much of the evening tonight. And as this moves its way eastward, it will be bringing a cold front, which will be cooling off these temperatures in the rest of the country. Now, because of this impending snowstorm, the National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a winter storm warning until 9 p.m. Thursday for the areas shaded in white, including the entire state of New Hampshire, as well as winter weather advisories for the areas shaded in pink, also until 9 p.m. on Thursday. Looking at our satellite and radar for New Hampshire, you can see most of the state is in clouds right now. We do have some snowfall making its way through southern New Hampshire right now, through the Manchester area. And looking out towards the rest of the region, here's this rainfall right now off the coast of New York. And as this makes its way northward, as it experiences colder air, it will turn into snowfall, and we will start seeing the snowfall later tonight here in the Plymouth area. And looking at the rest of the country, we can really see that low pressure system spinning right now through Minneapolis and Wisconsin, and it's bringing the snow into New England, as well as some heavy thunderstorms throughout much of the rest of the country, all the way down through Dallas, Texas right now. Current surface analysis, we have the rain and snow contributed to this low pressure system and this warm front just to our south in the Ohio River Valley. And as this continues to make its way eastward, we will see the heavier snowfall commence for tonight and in through tomorrow. As this secondary low develops and it continues to strengthen, we will see some heavier snowfall, up to 2 inches an hour at times with this snow. And for Friday, as this low pressure continues to make its way eastward and out to sea, we will see a few clouds sticking around throughout our region for Friday. So be aware of that on Friday. Our future precipitation forecast shows that right around 2 o'clock in the morning for tonight, we're going to have some heavy precipitation making its way through southern New England and southern New Hampshire. And snow will continue to fall throughout much of the evening. Right through around 8 a.m., we're going to see another batch of heavy snowfall make its way through much of the state, possibly causing some school closings and cancellations, as we will see some heavy snowfall throughout much of the state. And it will continue to snow throughout tomorrow. Right around the evening commute, the entire state is still seeing some light to moderate snowfall before this snow finally makes its way out of our area by midnight tomorrow morning. So for tonight, we're looking at snow with accumulations of 2 to 4 inches and a low temperature of 31 degrees. So if you put away your shovels and snow brushes, you might want to break them out because you will need them to brush off your car and your driveway tomorrow morning. The winds east at 5 miles per hour. For tomorrow, snow continues with an additional 2 to 4 inches expected during the daylight hours. Winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour and a high temperature of 28 degrees. And for tomorrow night, we're going to see snow early, but it will be ending by morning with an additional 1 inch of accumulation. Winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour and a low temperature of 18 degrees. Looking at the 5-day forecast, Thursday we see that snowfall continuing to affect us with a high of 28. Friday, as that system makes its way out of our region, we will see some snow flurries possible with a high temperature of 30. Saturday, our next system makes its way into our area in the form of rain with a high temperature of 46. Sunday, as that system makes its way out of our area, we will see some clouds with a high temperature of 38 degrees. And Monday, we do see the sunshine again with temperatures much closer to normal, the high temperature of 28 degrees and a low temperature of just 8. I'm student meteorologist Nick Tortola. Have a wonderful evening and tune in tomorrow for more PM weather.